Hi everybody, this is Snook, and today I am so excited, you have no idea. I, in the mail, received the Raw Beauty Kristi palette. I was so excited. I had ordered it on opening day, release day, the first day that you could get it, and it took me like 12 or 14 hours to order it, and then it said it shipped, and it didn't. Well, it got to a certain place and just stayed there. Wrote an email and said, my package hasn't moved. It's been sitting there. I really want it. So they looked into it, and the next day they got back to me and said they don't know what's going on. So they just sent out a new one, and it came in 3 days, and now it's here. It is what I have on my eyes. I decided to use the color side. Ended up using this row right here. So I used the purple, the pink, and the white. And then under my eyes, I used the blue. And these colors all work really well together. The purple went on really nice. I was really amazed. I wasn't sure if I wanted the pink on my lid or to try to put it above. I ended up putting it above my lid, not necessarily in the crease, so just above my crease. And I really like how it gradiated. I really think it turned out nice, the gradation. So that left my lid in the inner corner, and I decided, what the heck, I was going to try the white, which worked out really well. And then I added a little white just underneath here, and then I went in with the shimmer shade on my inner corner and just above my brow bone also. And then I didn't get any lashes or anything, because I shouldn't have gotten this, but it was Raw Beauty Kristi, and how can you not? I have to say this palette worked perfect for me. I actually, because I had heard that there was fallout with it, especially with the colors, I ended up not putting my makeup on first, my foundation, and did my eyes first, and I didn't have any problem with fallout, which I thought was hilarious, because if I would have put a whole face of makeup on, then I would have had fallout. So in order to not get fallout, just do your eyes first. It's as simple as that. So then I ended up putting my lashes on with the lash glue liner from Kiss. There it is. I've been playing around with lashes, and ever since I bought that Kiss eyeliner glue for lashes, I haven't had a problem. I ended up ordering that, and I was really happy I did, because that I can go in and clamp the eyelash and push it to my lid and not feel like I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. I mean, it still takes some hand-eye coordination to use it, which I am not the best at, but I figure if I can do it, it's pretty foolproof. The other side of this palette I haven't even touched yet, and that is the browns. One of the things that Kristi had said when she was talking about her palette was that she had made it so that you could follow any path and the colors would match. So this would not be a go-to for me. these 4 colors that I used, but I trusted in her, in what she said about her palette and how she designed it, and it worked out beautifully. It blended beautifully. I'm still learning how to use color. I wanted to go out of my comfort zone, hopefully have it work. And this palette did that for me. And that's the first time that that's happened. I'm totally happy with it. The eye primer that I used was from Tater Rounds, and the lipstick that I used was from Tater Rounds also, which is an Etsy shop. And these are all handmade. And this came in, because I did not order a great lipstick, but it came in a mystery box. It was a $20 mystery box, and there were 4 really pretty eyeshadows. I had a lot of fun trying out the gray lipstick. So it's just something fun that I wouldn't have bought for myself, and I'm really liking playing with it. Another thing I ordered in the BoxyCharm pop-ups was the KVD liquid lipstick, which anybody that has seen my videos knows that I really like it. And then I use my Tater Beauty Oink to give it a little shine. I really like the palette. I am so happy that I spent money on it. I mean, I am by no means an expert at eyeshadow. I've just been doing it for a lot of years on my own eyes, that's it. And I am just thrilled with how easy for me it was to blend out, because I had seen some reviews where people had some problems with it, and I was a little worried, but I did not have a problem, and I used blue, purple, pink, and the white, and the glitter. So I figure those are pretty hard to work with, and from my understanding, and I did not have a problem. So I am just like, so, yay! I'm so psyched. It's like you almost want to take it off and put some more on, but it's already late at night, so that's not gonna happen. But I wanted to share that with you guys, because I've been waiting, like, patiently, like trying to be so patient, and I'm like, I just want it. I want it now. Like, I just want it though. I want it now. Please subscribe, and that'll help me grow my channel. I'm almost at 100. Well, okay, I'm 25 away, but I'm almost at 100 subscribers. And yeah, that's it. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.